Are you itching to move, or would you just like to make some changes to your existing home? You are not alone. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway Fox & Roach, and all of my clients are itching for a change. I compiled the top renovations for 2021 on the main line that I see from buyers and sellers. Renovation number one, the bathroom sanctuary. Whether you are a bath lover or you just would like some peace and quiet, the bath sanctuary renovation is very popular. Adding windows to bring nature in, remodeling with marble, and luxury heated floors are all very popular upgrades right now. Renovation number two is the home gym. Did you hear that saying after 2020, you come back either a hunk, a chunk, or a drunk? Well, the home gym ensures the former. Many people are turning space into gyms, from outdoor concepts, remodeling garages or basements, and bringing us our third renovation is the basement renovation. It is a hugely popular renovation, and whether you turn it into a rec room for kids or a media room or a home office, all usable space is being repurposed in 2021. Last but definitely not least is the home office multifunction. A lot of people are not able to find homes with that extra bedroom, but can find some extra living space that is flex. The home office is a non-negotiable lately, and we see this renovation as super practical and super popular. Tune into our YouTube channel and we have a whole video on it. Whether the walls need to be repainted or changed altogether, I have buyers lining up for new homes and cannot find many sellers. So if you've thoughts about selling in the last 5 years, or you would like to sell in the next 5 years, I strongly urge you to get a comparative market analysis below and try to sell in today's market. With mortgage rates and advantageous to buyers and inventory constricted, you will get what your home is worth and probably more. Contact me today. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.